Welcome to Howe Caverns, an awesome place to explore, have some fun, and enjoy some caves? I don't know. Let's check it out. Howe Caverns is located about 45 minutes from Albany, New York, Schoharie County. The caverns are located 156 feet or 15 stories underground. They were carved by an ancient underground river out of limestone. They were discovered in 1842 by farmer Lester Howe and opened to the public in 1929. There's a 90-minute tour, which includes a boat ride, and they're open year-round, serving over 200,000 visitors annually. Outside, there is a hotel and an adventure park with a rope course, an air jumper, zip lines, climbing wall. Lots of fun to be had out there too. We're going to check it all out, so stay tuned, buckle in, and enjoy the ride. If you haven't been here before and you showed up in a t-shirt and shorts, you may want to go to the gift shop. Grab yourself a hoodie because it's 52 degrees down there and we were pretty chilly by the end of the tour. Wow. I think they go out like every 15 minutes. The on-site gift shop, snack shop, and cafe all are pretty cool, and the food was pretty good. We enjoyed it. Not many would know this if you weren't looking for it, but just outside the cafe there is outdoor seating. The views are breathtaking. Hey you, watching our video, we appreciate you. Thank you so much. While you're at it, give us a big thumbs up and let us know how we're doing in the comments. We sure do appreciate it.
Until I knew the place from one end to the other. My own stupendous geode.
So this is going to start lighting up in
Today, you'll be headed 156 feet down in up-to-date and entirely safe mechanical elevators of my own design, of course. Once down below, you'll hear the rush of the river Styx. See the Rocky Mountains? The astounding Chinese pagoda inside the magnificent Titan's temple. Incredible formations like the Great Turtle, pipe organ, the lovely pool of peace, and enjoy a remarkable boat ride on the romantic Lake of Venus. Maybe some of you sweethearts will get inspired to make things official at the bridal altar later on. If you regret your decision, you can always get separated in the twists and curves of the winding way. If I may say, it's going to be a journey you'll never forget. Savor your time in these timeless caves, and I hope I'll see you again soon at Howe Caverns. Enjoy your tour.
Alright, so you guys follow.
My bad. Okay, I'm ready. I hope you are too. It's tour time.
Yeah, I don't know why this is open. This is usually locked, but don't go back there. We're going to go over again what we're going to do. The elevators and the vestibule. We're going to take about 15, 16 stops on our way to the Lake Venus for a quarter mile round trip boat ride. We're going to make a few stops on the way back, like the throttle, alternative winding way, and then they go. I do have a few rules for you. They're back here. Might trip over your flow stone. Screws up the spine, it flows down the wall. You'll see what we call gypsum. It's the only kind of crystal-y thing we have down here aside from quartz, but not many people think of quartz as, like a crystal. It's not shiny. In the 70s, there was a Boy Scout troop. One of the kids brought his pet mouse with him. Shoved it in his pocket. Whole tour. Up at this point, the mouse was getting a little antsy. He shoved it in his pocket the whole time. He jumped out to get some air. Fell into the water. The water is 42 degrees, and that is way too cold for a mouse. So he climbed up these rocks, all the way through these wires here. Now his teeth were chattering, so if he has something to get into the wires, the electric shock won't get all the way up here. Oh shit. This is the only stalagmites we have in the cave, and before you guys have any time to question the authenticity of this story, we're going to move on. bed, carve it into the shape of a heart, put it over top of light to show the translucency of calcite. This is actually 6 inches thick. There's been 740 weddings held right here.
Wow.
There are a few myths. The first one being, if you step over the heart with your loved one, you will have a second honeymoon within a year. Second one is, if you walk over the heart, you will find love within a year if you are of age. And last one is, if you walk over the heart, you just have a good luck for a year.
All right, everybody.
To the right of the main building, that's the hotel. We'll take a quick look. To the rear of the building, that's Adventure Park. We'll take a look around there too. Unfortunately, the outside area where the rope course, the jumper, the zip line, the climbing wall, that was closed today. The interior of the building, well, that's the mining company, and it's pretty cool. We've come to the end of the video, but it's really not the end. It's time to book your trip, check out some caverns, and have some fun. Thanks for watching.